This is Josh with Clean Pro Exteriors. I just want to take a minute to show you how to winterize your pressure washer. This is a cold water unit, 4,000 psi. This right here is your pump. You don't want water to freeze inside that because it could damage it. Tonight it's going to get freezing. Tomorrow I want to be able to use it. So what I'm also going to do is flush out my hose and get all the water out of my hose. The way I do that, just go ahead and kill two birds with one stone, is I use this little mechanism that I made. You can get all this from Lowe's or just air compressor fittings. What you have here, this is a 3/4 inch male threaded. What you have on the other side of it is a 3/8 inch female threaded. This is a ball valve which has a 3/8 female threaded, and this in the middle is a 3/8 inch nipple. Right here, this is a 3/8 inch male threaded with a regular air compressor adapter. What I'm gonna do is just simply put this right inside there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this into the off position. I'm gonna take this, stick that into there, make sure this is out of the way. Then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Okay, that's pretty well flushed out. Now my hose is empty of all water, so I don't have to worry about water freezing in there. And tomorrow, when it warms up a little bit, I'll be able to use it. Then what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and disconnect that. And then I'm going to unhook this from the pressure washer. The next thing I'm going to do is take this pump saver from Briggs and Stratton. I got that from Lowe's. And also, go ahead and give the pressure washer just a couple pulls. Not for it to crank, but what that'll do is help. If there's any more water left in there, it'll help get it out. So I'm just going to take this and hook that up to the inlet and show you what to do after. Alright, once you got that on, you're going to push that button, and once you see the fluid coming out of here, you know that your pump is winterized. Alright, when that's done, you unhook it, and your pressure washer pump is ready for the winter. Some people use antifreeze to do this, and that's perfectly fine. When antifreeze works as well. This I researched on, and what this does is it keeps your pump from freezing, keeps water from freezing, but it also lubricates the inside of your pump, which is good for the gaskets and so forth. So that's how you winterize your pressure washer for a cold water unit. You can do that. It'll last through the freezing months, and it's also good if you just want to get a few more days in during the winter. You can do this when you get off work and you know that it's going to be ready to be used in the morning. So this is Josh with Clean Pro Exteriors. If you like the videos, you find them helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. There'll be more videos to come. Thanks.